was on a live with a friend in Twitch, and I realised that some people don't actually know the best way to put a wig cap on for their wigs. I am off out, so please ignore the makeup, it's not for a character, but I am going to do a demonstration on how I put a wig cap on and put my wig on, because half the time I can never be bothered to style my hair when I go out, so this is what I do. At the moment my hair is just in a bun, so we're going to take it out, give it a quick spritz with water, and then get some got2b glue gel, and I'm just going to quickly, a tiny bit, just through here, just makes it easier to apply. And then I'm going to braid it into 2 braids and finish the 2 braids with just some little clear kind of bands, really. So let's just quickly pat this. And then tie the plait. These don't have to be uber neat because they're going under a wig, but I just find this helps keep the bulk of my hair down. So second plait. Like I say, it doesn't have to be uber neat. So then it's just a case of wrapping it around my head. So got a few bobby pins. So we take this side, wrap it around the back to the opposite side, and then this side, wrap it around the back to the opposite side, pin it, and then just put a few more pins in to hold it securely. Obviously, depending on how long your hair is, you might have to wrap it around a bit more. Just turn it around. Now I need to wet down my baby hairs. So again, what I do is just wet the front, more of the got2b glue. Literally, I'm taking the small, I don't know if you can see it, the smallest amount, and I'm just using that to slick back my baby hairs. Good old wig cap. This is a very battered wig cap, I'm not gonna lie. Wig cap on. This is the main thing that's going to stop you itching, is getting your wig cap secure and keeping it not moving. Some people like to double wig cap. Sometimes, depending on the wig account, I always put that on, a second wig cap on. But this is the thing that works for me. It's a wig band. Drag queens use it. It's just a Velcro band that I just lie around the front. Keeps all the baby hairs back. New wig, so I have no idea how this is going to look on me. Then we put this on. Now this wig has grips at the front. Because I got the wig band on, I don't hook them on. I just let them lie on top of the wig band. Works how it works for me. So put this new wig on. No idea how it's going to look. Put the back comb wig band in. Definitely put the back one in. And then we just adjust. And you can either leave it like that. Done. The wig will stay. Or what I like to do is just take a couple of pins and just slide it in underneath, just to secure it. So yeah, just take the sides and secure it down, and that wig will not move all day. The wig cap will stay in place, and seriously, the band will help it. So yeah, there's my quick tutorial.